Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, December 16th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. I hope all of you are having a really great day. Things have gone really great for me. It has been a long and stressful week. There have been many days this week that were challenging, food-wise, as well as just my blood pressure was up and I was really stressed out. Things kept going wrong. I could have given in and I could have given up a million times this week, but I did not do that, and I stayed keto and I did the best that I could with what I had to deal with this week. And I made it through. Whew, it was a long one. We have one more Nutcracker performance tomorrow, and then that's it for a little while. I'll get a little bit of a break, and I will be speed shopping. I did get some shopping done. I am probably about halfway through my shopping, I think, which isn't too bad, but usually I'm done by the 12th, and so the fact that it's this late in the year and we're getting close to not being able to buy things online at this point, it's a little nerve-wracking. So after Nutcracker tomorrow, I'm going to be focusing on that. I may have to go actually into physical stores for the first time in probably 18 years. I think I've been shopping Amazon since 2001, something like that. So eek. I don't even know what I will do if I have to go shopping in stores, but it might be fun. Who knows? But we'll get it done, and we're going to have a magical Christmas. I'm looking forward to having a little less to do. Let's just put it that way. So thanks for coming to check in on me. Let's just get to the weigh-in so we can talk about that and you can get on your way.
New low.
As you can see, I weighed in today at 185.5 pounds. That is a new low, and it puts me at basically 188.5 lost, or by 189, we'll just round up, lost in about 2 years. So that's pretty amazing. And I don't exactly know how I feel about that number. You know that I do want my numbers to keep going down, but I was, for the last 4 weeks, practicing maintenance and trying to do lazy keto and eat to satiety and stuff like that. And so I really was hoping to kind of just stick to the same and not actually lose any weight during this last 4 weeks. So the fact that I have lost 2 pounds it's good, because I do still have weight that I want to lose. But it's also frustrating because I'm like, what am I going to do when I finally get to my goal? How I'm going to go work out this maintenance thing? Because that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm playing at maintenance so that when I get to maintenance, I kind of have a handle on how I need to do it. So my plan is to go ahead and finish out the year doing these maintenance calories, hit the January 1st with another weight loss bang for probably about 6 weeks. I'll go through halfway through February, probably maybe into March, using my weight loss macros and see how much I can lose in that amount of time. And then I'm going to take another maintenance break. Now, it's not because I think that this is the way to do it, or I'm trying to prevent loose skin, or I'm just trying to do things more slowly. I don't know. It's nothing to do with that. It's just that I know my life is going to get extremely difficult and crazy in March, April, and May, and I will have a really difficult time focusing on weight loss macros during those months. I know I had a really hard time last year with only one YouTube channel. Now that I have 2, I cannot even imagine even dealing with my life in the spring. So it'll be a true and utter miracle if I make it through March through May without going off my plan somewhat. Now, I obviously don't intend to, and that's why I'm kind of practicing now to see if I can just kind of get a handle on it. And I'm happy with how it went for the last 4 weeks. I think that I didn't overindulge on anything. I don't think I overate nuts and seeds has been an issue with me in the past. I've had a few protein bars here and there, but not extreme amounts. So I feel like I've done pretty well staying to my whole foods keto lifestyle adding in a higher fat macro and keeping my proteins pretty close to where they were and keeping my carbs below 20 most of the time. So I think I may probably have gone over a little bit a couple of times, but not anything extremely significant. I don't feel like I've ever kicked myself out of ketosis or anything like that. Haven't had any symptoms of that. My weight gain and loss cycle that goes around my womanly cycle is just as normal this month as it has been any month. So I don't feel like that I have overeaten my carbs or anything like that has contributed to weight gain. And as you can see, I had a giant 6.1 pound whoosh this week, which I kind of expected last week. It's kind of doing a weird thing now where it's doing the lower whoosh and then the bigger whoosh, but yay. So my official weight now I know is 185.5 this month, which means I did lose 2 pounds in the last 4 weeks, which isn't too bad considering I'm trying not to lose any at all. I mean, I of course always want to lose because I still have quite a bit to go. Being 185.5, I'm actually smaller than I thought I would be at this weight. I'm actually wearing comfortably a size 10 pants right now and a size medium top, which kind of shocks me because I thought that it would take me till probably 160 to get to that point. I guess, I don't really have any frame of reference or way to wrap my brain around it because I've never been that weight in my adult life. So I really don't have any reference, but I feel like I'm pretty lean. I even noticed today I wore this dress and I noticed my calves are looking really nice. They're looking toned and pretty. And I'm like, wow, I've never really felt like I had legs that I could wear a shorter skirt. This one is a knee length skirt. And I felt totally comfortable in this without any nylons or anything. I just felt like my legs looked fine and I wasn't worried about it. Other than my husband mentioned that I have a giant bruise apparently on the back of my left calf. And we have no idea where that came from. It may have been from the big fall during the Christmas recital. I am not sure. I didn't notice it until today. My husband's like, what happened to your leg? And I'm like, what? And I look down and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have no idea. So that was kind of funny. Got a kick out of that. So I don't know where the giant bruise came from, but hey, my legs look good. So I'm feeling pretty great about that. So of course, I'm very, very happy with the way the weigh-in went today. I'm happy that I lost 2 pounds in the last 4 weeks. That's exciting to me. Makes me feel good that I'm even still able to lose while eating basically whenever I want, but staying keto. That's a relief. I really am happy about that. I really, really am. So my official, because by the time I hit 2 more weeks, I'm going to be up in water weight. So I am saying my official 2 years on keto weight loss amount is 189 pounds. That's where I'm sticking to it for my video. I'm going to be making a video in a minute, a welcome video for all the new people that have come from the magazine. So if you're here from the magazine, don't forget to check that out. That's all I've got for you today, I think. I'm really, really happy. I'm excited. Thank you guys for all of your support, being such amazing subscribers and supporting my channel and supporting me as a person and cheering me on because I couldn't do this without you. And I appreciate every single one of you. You are the best. Don't forget to like this video because that always helps me out. And comments, of course, are always welcome because the more likes and comments and interactions I get on my videos, the more likely other people will see it, which means more people that I get to help. And I'm really grateful for every person that comes to my channel and that I can help change their lives because that is there's literally nothing better. There's literally nothing better than being able to change people's lives for the better. So thanks so much for hanging out with me, my friends. We'll talk to you again soon.